So basic is a programming language, which programming language means that is used to develop softwares and programs for computer. Basic full form is beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. It is a high-level language. High-level language uses common English words to develop language. You would have studied it before studying this basic. Before studying the theory of basic, you would have studied theory of programming language. It was developed by John Kemeny and Thomas Kurtz. I think in the year around 1972 or something, 1964. Sorry, 1964 in Dartmouth College, New Hampshire, USA. There are three types of basic: GW basic, Q basic, and basic. We'll be dealing with GW basic and Q basic. There's not much difference between GW basic and Q basic. Only a slight difference is there. So we will do it. GW basic and Q basic, we will do it. And there is not much difference between the two. Number one, the data types, which are common in all the basic versions, whether it's GW basic, Q basic, basic A, or it's small basic also. So these are the three main types of basic. There are much more types of basic. So data types are important. These are the features of basic. So first of all, data types. Data types. Number one is constants. There are two types of constant. One is numeric constant. And the second one is string constant. I'll give you the examples. It is 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. String constant is India, anything within double quotes. I will explain this. Wait. And then variables. 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 It is numeric variable. And then a string variable. Okay, so you have to understand numeric variable and string variable. Numeric variable is number one. Example: A, B, C, D, D, F, G, whatever you want to do. And then string variables example is $8 is equal to K, J, H, whatever. B dollar is equal to India. Here, $8 and B dollar are variables, and there A, B, C, D, G, F, G are variables. Okay. So constants stores the value in them. Constants are the fixed values that are stored in a variable. Okay, so and string constants are the characters which are enclosed in double quotes that can contain numbers, alphabets, special characters, anything. In variables, A, B, B, C, C, D are variables which stores numeric constants, only numeric constants. And this $, B dollar, all that stores string constants. String constant, I again repeat, within double quotes it should be. It should contain all the characters. It can contain all the characters in the keyboard. Means all the special characters, numbers, alphabets, because they are the character set. The character set means the data which a program understands. Now, I hope you understand what is a numeric variable. Numeric variable stores numeric constant. It's just like mathematics. And string variable stores string constant. Okay. Now, there are certain, I will give you a note. A numeric variable must start with a numeric and string variable. Because string variable or string variable must start with an alphabet and must start with an alphabet. The variables, both the variables, both string and numeric can contain only numbers and alphabets. Can contain only numbers and alphabets, and the numbers must be used after an alphabet. One more thing you have to notice out here. A string variable must end with a dollar sign. And string constant must be enclosed in double quotes. Excellent. A numeric or string variable must start with an alphabet, as I stated. An alphabet, whether capital, whether small, because basic is not case sensitive. Both small and capital letters are same to basic. The variable string and numeric can contain only numbers and alphabets. String and numeric can contain only numbers and alphabets. You can give the name of a variable. It's string, the variable string and numeric can be named with only numbers and alphabets. Not it can store. I mean to say that variable string and then variable string and numeric can be named with only numbers and alphabets. No special characters can be used to name a variable. And numbers can be used and numbers can be used only after using an alphabet. A string variable must end with a dollar sign. That is very important. It has all the rights and properties of naming a numerical variable, but the only difference between the two in naming is that the string variable must end with a dollar sign, and string constant must be enclosed within double quotes. Okay. So that is the rule for that, and I hope you understand it. If you have any doubt related to basic C++ or Java for beginners, you can contact me. My email ID is ranjan.pratik21@gmail.com. I hope you understand what I said, and I hope it will be very helpful. If you have any doubt with this, contact me. Thank you.